Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to day 13 of our watercolor challenge. So, இன்னைக்கு நம்ம வந்து we are going to paint a natural scenery just using three colors. One will be the sap green and the other will be the Persian blue or cobalt blue. Okay, let's get started. So we are going to use the wet and wet method, and I'm using the same brushes here. One is from Artius, which is of zero size, and this is a mop brush, zero size and size 2. And then I have from DOMS, I have a pinpoint brush, which is mainly for detailing and drawing small things. Okay, so I have the sap green here, and before that we are going to do the sky and then the mountains, and followed by trees and then some kind of flowers at the wild colors at the bottom. We can use the spray here at the top. Okay, and then you can use the brush just to do it like this, so that this is kind of easy work to do. We are going to use the wet and wet method for all the things that we are going to do. But first we are doing at the top. Okay, I'm just taking the blue here. It's going to be a lighter value that we are going to use. Okay, just do it. Have some white color left in between, so that will look like clouds. Okay, okay, next I'm going to use the sap green, and that also we are going to use the lighter value. Okay, and I want to be here a little bit of white, so I'm just tapping it and removing some color from that. And if you feel something to be there, just add it here and there. And I'm using the sap green, which we have already here. You're able to see it, and I'm going to have a lighter value for that, as light as possible, because நம்ம வந்து என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம்னா, இது வந்து பார்க்கும்போது it should be far away. So make sure that you don't have much of the colors. Okay, just start it from here. If you feel it very light, then you can add a little bit. And always have tissue nearby you, so that you'll be using much tissue for this one. Just grab it like that. Okay, and if you can see it, it is very light value that I given for the green here. Okay, so I'm just darkening it some more, because I'm not sure whether you are able to see it in the camera. Darker value of that green again, so I'm adding a little bit. So this is same kind of thing that we have used in our previous videos when we were doing single color variants using the mountain and the stuff, but here we are going to use kind of different variants. And at the top you should have that master thing. Okay, so that here you will have the same effect. So use the tissue once again and just wipe it off, so that we get a gradient kind of thing. Okay, and if you feel the top is so much of light, you can just add a little bit of just kind of a line at the top, and then again wipe that off, and then giving the same kind of effect at the bottom here. So that will look like a moss, kind of a mist that is getting formed. Add some more water and then blend it. Okay, and we are going to add one more layer, but before that add some spraying using the spray bottle, and then I'm just doing the bringing it down. And then add some more darker value. In the watercolor, whenever we add lighter then darker, it's going to give us a distance effect. Okay, so I'm just playing it once again. This I found kind of easy method to do it. Okay, just and here you just need to tap it, make sure that you have that effect without disturbance. Okay, okay, just make like this kind of a tree effect in some distance. Okay, wash the brush, add some water, just bring that one effect down. Okay. Then again use the damping method and take some colors from there, okay, so that we will get a mist effect. Then add same color at the bottom, little bit of dark variance. Then use the thing to get this right off. And if you feel you need to have some more clear thing, just add a little bit of light darkness here and there. Then we are going to add a crease. This is going to be a little bit darker than the previous one. Just do it like this. In space it can be unequal, so no need to worry about the shapes. I'll be doing one more a different video just to tell how to draw the trees. Okay, use the tissue and then just do the tapping. Okay, and okay, here we need to add some more to get that effect, so I'm just washing and bringing that one a little bit bottom to get a nice wet look. Then I'm using the things to just tap it like that. And we are going to draw some trees here. Okay, they should be some more darker than the previous ones. Okay. Then one more tree here. And a little bit of water, and then increase the depth of the tree, adding darker value. Okay, you can wipe off the extra water that you feel it is there, because we are going to add one more. Then make it lighter here also when it goes far away. Okay, now we are going to use the don't thoroughly trap it off, because we need some kind of a texture here and there, so to have the effect of snow or mist, whatever we can call. So since I feel here needs to be added some details, so just adding it using the other brush to get more kind of a paint in that. I'm just tapping and then bringing it down. And I'm going to use the small brush. I just going to paint like a flower kind of thing. So adding colors to life. Dream, draw, create it. Then I'm going to dry it off as much as possible. I'm going to pick the color. It's going to be a dark one. So you want to just tap it and do it. Okay. Now I'm taking a creamy structure, then just tapping it here and there. Now wait for some time to get it dry, and meanwhile we can add kind of leaves at the bottom. There should also be some darker value. Okay, just add like this. If you can dream it, we help you draw it, we help you create it. For little hands and big hearts, soft colors in motion, a spark in every line, a world you can gradually do that, and we can have it also at the background when it comes. And now we are going to draw some more. Let me add some color here, the lighter color. I'm going to add some lighter color at the. So once it is dry, just add a kind of a clean texture here. Okay. If you can dream it, we help you draw it, we help you create it. So the bottom one should be dry before we can use this flower kind of thing. Okay, just draw it like this. Just tap it and you will get that effect. So as you come down, it should be of a more vibrant colors. VJ Arts, adding colors to life. Okay. And here. And if you feel the colors are not that much good, we can always do the changes. I'm just adding one more here at the bottom. Okay, now pick the smaller brush, take the green and then add it like this. Okay, just keep it like that. And if you feel we need to add some more color and for the trees at the top or the mountains, if you feel it's kind of light, you can give it a try here. Before that, check it how the thing is and then add it. Okay, now one more layer like this. Do the same thing for the other one, which is at the top. And then again use the water to blend it. Okay, use the tissue, bring it like this. Okay, that's it. And at the top also I feel some things need to be changed, so I'm using the other brush. Just going to give a one more kind of a thing here, just to bring that one kind of a little bit darker value. Okay, just tap it. Okay, here we go. And if you feel you need to add some more colors here and there, of course you can do it to get some effects. Okay, I'm just doing it and then tapping it off to take that off so that we get a nice color. Okay. Okay, if you have liked this video, please do subscribe. So let it dry for a while, then I can remove and show how this looks. Okay, and I'm just adding some more thing here to wipe that off. Okay. And removing the thing, guys, this is a very easy method to do, and we will have a very good look once it is done. Okay, I'm just peeling off the mask tape that we have. Okay. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, and you'll be getting more videos in the upcoming days. Okay. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.